Hi, I'm Dr. Meredith Stephens, and I'd like to invite you to my upcoming Body Reading 101 and 102 workshops that will be held on November 4th and 5th at the beautiful Sundara Yoga Studio in Brunswick, Maine. What makes body reading different from other forms of postural assessment? It comes down to relational anatomy. How do the bones of our skeleton relate to each other? Our skeletal geometry, and how does that skeletal geometry influence our myofascia? What tissues might be over-shortened or over-lengthened, and then ultimately how that will influence the function of our body. This course is essential whether you're a yoga instructor, Pilates instructor, personal trainer, or body worker, and all of those modalities are welcome. Over the course of the weekend, we will be sharpening our seeing skills, developing our palpation skills so that we really have a better sense of how to assess our client's posture, which is our first step in developing any strategy. And we'll have a lot of fun doing it. So I really hope you can join me November 4th and 5th for Body Reading 101, 102 in Brunswick, Maine. If you want more information, just check out the website at anatomytrains.com. Thanks. Hope to see you there.